Hey, buddy. Holy shit, there's a bird stuck in a glue trap. And I'm gonna have to... Hold on, sweetie. I'm gonna have to put on these gloves and try to get him out. I know this isn't the best shot, but I shouldn't even be wasting time with a stupid camera when there's a bird in dire need. Hey, buddy. Don't freak out. Don't freak out. Oh, shit. There's no way you're getting out of this. Oh, fuck. Fuck. Holy shit. God damn it. I gotta kill this fucking thing. Its whole body's stuck. Ugh. He's not even trying anymore. Ugh. 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 Whoa, it flew away! It fucking flew away! I almost just stepped on it. Holy shit. Holy shit, that was so fucked up. I thought its wing was stuck in there. And it was right on the edge. When I peeled that, I realized both his little feet were completely in the glue, not the wing. So I had to be a little rough with his feet. I don't know if you saw it, but I hung it upside down to see what I was dealing with. But I was a little bit rough, but I peeled both his feet off. There he is. Holy shit. He's hopping, so I don't think he has broken feet, but he's only flying little, like, from there to here. That's probably like 20 feet. That's kind of big. But now he's going like, and I've lost him, or I'd be trying to show you, even though I can't zoom on cinematic mode. But over here, he's just hopping like 2 feet. Maybe the adrenaline has worn off from that 20 foot. He's gone. He's underneath that tractor trailer. But what a weird day, weird way to start a work day. But I just watched him after the big lunge. I just watched him go. So he's doing like 2 foot hops. He's gonna have I wonder if I should have squished him. That would have been so gnarly. I mean, I wasn't saying it out loud, but I was thinking, God damn it. I was just gonna set the glue trap down sideways and just curb stomp as hard as I could and hope, for two birds just flew by, little guys like that, like swallows. I wonder if that's a posse. Anyways, I shouldn't even talk about that. I was gonna try to, instant death, 1 second. Which, who knows how good his little talons are. They talons if they're a little bird, or is that just on a big, like eagle, falcon? It's so hot out. Serenity and Linnea and myself going to get tattoos again today, so I can't have my skin exposed to the sun in preparation. All right, man, he's gone. I feel like I did the right thing. Back to the Paul Rust and his homie. I should really learn that guy's name. Part 3, Friday the 13th, Part 3 commentary. Holy crap, that was... All right, the avant-garde superhero reminds me to tell you some stories. In 1 week, I saved a streetwalker who had given up on life and did the Nestea plunge into this garbage, and she couldn't get out of it. That's my version. Someone could have put her in there. She was so old and malnutritioned, like an 80-pound grandma who could not get out of this heap of garbage, just crying. I thought it was a cat. I saved her 2 days after I saved that kid on bath salts. In the mall, a kid had a seizure. Stuff was just spewing out of him. No one wanted to touch him, and I did some crazy sports baseball slide right to where his head was in my lap, cradled him, wiped his mouth, turned him over, rode it out with him. My buddy Dan, the magician, you've seen him before, called 911. So really, Dan and I saved him. But those two things happened 2 days apart from each other, and it's while we were filming the written word in the blank page. And so we had an ongoing joke that I'm always put in these crazy situations, and I'm the avant-garde superhero. It sounds weird when I tell you from my mouth to the camera, but it sounds a lot cooler and funnier and weirder if someone else tells you. Anyways, we saved a bird. Bird up. I can't turn the camera off.